Object Pronouns Mastery. Making English communication smooth. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll delve into a key topic in English grammar, object pronouns. These words are everywhere in our language, and knowing how to use them correctly can greatly improve your fluency. Before diving into the exercises, let's quickly review what object pronouns are. In English, object pronouns are used in place of a noun that is the object of a verb or preposition. The object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. For example, consider the sentence, John loves Mary. Here, Mary is the object of the verb loves. If we replace Mary with an object pronoun, we get John loves her. Many English learners can mix up subject pronouns, like I, he, and we, and object pronouns. It's crucial to remember that subject pronouns are used when the pronoun is the subject of the sentence, while object pronouns are used when the pronoun is the object. For instance, I love her is correct, but her loves I is incorrect. Now, let's dive into some exercises to help you practice these concepts. 1. Exercise 1. Fill in the blank with the correct object pronoun. I gave the book to ____. John. Sarah is meeting _____ in the park. Us. Can you please help ____ with this assignment? Me. Exercise 2. Correct the mistakes in the following sentences. Can you send this message to I? Him doesn't like us. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these pronouns, the easier it will be to remember which to use in your conversations. And that wraps up our lesson on object pronouns. Keep practicing and soon you'll find yourself using these naturally in your conversations. I hope this video has been helpful in enhancing your understanding of object pronouns. As always, keep learning, keep improving, and I'll see you in our next English grammar adventure. Happy learning!